Is your central heating unit not keeping you comfortable? LA Construction Heating and Air provides fast and reliable service, as well as free cost estimates on replacement. So whatever the need is for your heating system, we have over 10 years of experience, are fully licensed, and fully insured with general liability and workers' compensation insurance. We provide service or repair on any maker model. Gas furnaces, heat pumps, package systems, and wall gas heaters. Replacements and installations. Preventative maintenance. And air quality and filtration. Our ongoing customer reviews speak for themselves. Call us today at 818-341-3406 or visit us online at www.laheatingairconditioning.com.